Welcome back. We've got another super interesting update on Travis Barker's drug possession case and the legal disputes between Travis Barker and Kourtney Kardashian from our highly confidential and reliable source. Trust me, you'll be left in absolute shock and surprise by the time you completely watch this video. So you might want to buckle up and we delve into the full juicy gist. Just when it seemed the Kardashian-Jenner clan had weathered their fair share of scandals, a new crisis has erupted, threatening to tear the famous family apart at the seams. At the center of the maelstrom is Kourtney Kardashian, whose tumultuous relationship with her ex-partner, Travis Barker, has descended into an all-out legal war with devastating consequences. The saga began when Barker, the famed drummer, found himself embroiled in a high-profile drug possession case, facing a staggering $100 million probation fine. Unbeknownst to many, Barker was already on the verge of bankruptcy, leaving him with few options to pay the crippling penalty. In a desperate attempt to salvage the situation, Kourtney stepped in, proposing a solution that would reshape the course of their lives forever. She suggested they sell off some of Barker's properties to cover the fine, a move that would ultimately prove to be her undoing. The properties were duly sold, but in a shocking turn of events, Barker absconded after the transactions, pocketing the proceeds and leaving Kourtney to face the music alone. Outraged and betrayed, Kourtney found herself at the center of a legal maelstrom, with Barker filing a series of lawsuits against her. The bombshell revelation that the sale of Barker's properties was deemed wrongful by the courts only added to Kourtney's woes. The court's decision to validate Barker's claims resulted in a staggering $400 million settlement being slapped on Kourtney, a financial burden that threatened to crush her and the entire Kardashian-Jenner empire. As the legal battle raged on, a new front opened up, with Barker filing for child custody over their young son, Rocky. To Kourtney's horror, the court not only granted Barker full physical and legal custody, but also terminated her parental rights, effectively stripping her of any say in her child's upbringing. Devastated and furious, Kourtney lashed out in the courtroom, slapping Barker and labeling him a criminal drug addict and corrupt person. The outburst, captured on camera, only served to heighten the public's fascination with the unfolding drama, as the once untouchable Kardashian-Jenner clan found themselves embroiled in a scandal of epic proportions. Before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so to get the latest exclusive gist and gossip about the Kardashian family and their related circle, and also we'll be ditching out classified developing gist, so you might want to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our latest posts. The fallout from this catastrophic turn of events has been nothing short of seismic. Kourtney, once the epitome of poise and confidence, has spiraled into a deep state of despair, grappling with the loss of her child and the crushing financial burden that threatens to destroy everything she's built. The Kardashian-Jenner family, known for their unwavering unity, has found itself fractured, with each member struggling to come to terms with the devastation that has befallen their kin. Kim, Khloe, and Kendall have rallied around Kourtney, offering emotional and, where possible, financial support, but the task of rebuilding their shattered empire has never been more daunting. As the legal battle rages on, the public's fascination with the Kardashian-Jenner clan has only intensified. Tabloids and social media platforms have been ablaze with speculation and commentary, with many questioning the family's ability to bounce back from this latest crisis. Kourtney, however, remains resolute in her determination to fight. She has enlisted the best legal minds and is working tirelessly to regain custody of her son and reduce the crippling financial burden she now faces. Yet, the road ahead is fraught with uncertainty, and the Kardashian-Jenner family finds itself in uncharted territory, forced to confront challenges that threaten to tear them apart. The reverberations of this scandal have extended far beyond the family's inner circle, with the public's trust in the Kardashian-Jenner brand now hanging in the balance. As the clan works to rebuild their shattered image, they must confront the harsh reality that their once untouchable status has been irrevocably altered. Yet, in the face of such adversity, the Kardashian-Jenner family has demonstrated a remarkable resilience that has defined their journey thus far. They have weathered storms before, and many believe that this latest crisis may be the catalyst that forges an even stronger, more unified family. As the legal proceedings continue and the public's gaze remains fixed upon them, the Kardashian-Jenner clan must navigate a treacherous path, one that will test the limits of their strength, their resolve, and their ability to emerge from the ashes of this scandal stronger than ever before. The world watches with bated breath, captivated by the unfolding drama that has shaken the very foundations of this iconic family. And for Kourtney, the stakes have never been higher as she fights to reclaim her life, her child, and the legacy that has defined her family for generations. Only time will tell whether the Kardashian-Jenner clan can emerge from this crisis victorious, but one thing is certain: the road ahead promises to be a captivating and emotionally charged journey that will undoubtedly leave an indelible mark on the public consciousness. As the dust settles on the initial bombshell revelations surrounding Kourtney Kardashian's legal battle with ex-partner Travis Barker, a new chapter of the saga has unfolded, with the stakes rising to unprecedented heights. Reeling from the devastating blow of losing custody of her son Rocky, Kourtney has thrown herself headfirst into a desperate bid to regain control of her life and her family's legacy. With the $400 million settlement looming over her, she has channeled every ounce of her energy into navigating the treacherous legal landscape, determined to find a path to redemption. Enlisting the services of the most formidable legal minds in the industry, Kourtney has embarked on a multi-pronged strategy to chip away at the mounting challenges she faces. Her first line of attack has been to challenge the court's decision to grant Barker full custody, arguing that the ruling was based on incomplete and biased information. Kourtney is adamant that she is the rightful and loving parent to Rocky, revealed a close family source. She believes the court was swayed by Barker's calculated manipulation of the facts, and she is hell-bent on rectifying this injustice. The Kardashian matriarch, Kris Jenner, has thrown the full weight of the family's resources behind Kourtney's legal crusade, mobilizing a team of private investigators and legal advisors to uncover any potential discrepancies or inconsistencies in Barker's claims. The family is leaving no stone unturned in their quest to regain custody of the young boy, recognizing the profound emotional toll the separation has taken on Kourtney. Parallel to her battle for Rocky, Kourtney has also launched a multi-pronged assault on the $400 million settlement imposed by the courts. Her lawyers have argued that the ruling was heavily biased and failed to take into account the complex circumstances surrounding the sale of Barker's properties. Kourtney maintains that she acted in good faith, with the sole intention of helping Barker resolve his financial woes, the family source explained. The fact that he absconded with the proceeds and left her to shoulder the burden is a grave injustice that she is determined to rectify. The legal team has carefully combed through the details of the property transactions, unearthing what they believe to be a potential loophole that could challenge the validity of the court's decision. Kourtney's attorneys are confident that by exposing the flaws in the original ruling, they can significantly reduce the crippling financial burden that threatens to topple the Kardashian-Jenner empire. As the legal battle rages on, the public's fascination with the unfolding drama has only intensified. Tabloids and social media platforms have been inundated with speculation and commentary, with many expressing their sympathy for Kourtney's plight and their outrage at the perceived injustice of the situation. The Kardashian-Jenner family, renowned for their savvy public relations skills, has been faced with the daunting task of navigating the treacherous waters of public opinion. Kim, Khloe, and Kendall have taken on the role of vocal advocates for Kourtney, using their massive social media platforms to rally support and raise awareness of her legal battle. This is a fight for Kourtney's future and the future of our entire family, Kim Kardashian stated in a recent interview. We are united in our determination to see justice served and to ensure that Kourtney regains her rightful place as a loving mother to Rocky. The family's PR team has been working overtime to craft a narrative that paints Kourtney as the victim of a malicious plot orchestrated by Barker, a once trusted partner who has now betrayed her trust in the most egregious manner. The strategy has been to garner public sympathy and support, with the ultimate goal of swaying the courts in Kourtney's favor. As the legal proceedings continue, tensions within the Kardashian-Jenner clan have reached a fever pitch. The family's near-constant presence in the media spotlight has added an extra layer of pressure, with each move and statement scrutinized under the glare of public scrutiny. Kourtney, in particular, has borne the brunt of the emotional strain, struggling to maintain her composure as she navigates the complex legal maze. Her once formidable spirit has been tempered by the weight of the challenges she faces, and those close to her have expressed concern over her mental and physical well-being. Kourtney is a fighter, but even the strongest among us can be broken by the sheer intensity of this ordeal, the family's source confided. She is putting on a brave face for the cameras, but behind the scenes, she is fighting to hold on to the last vestiges of her sanity. As the storm clouds continue to gather, the Kardashian-Jenner family finds itself at a critical juncture. The outcome of Kourtney's legal battle will not only determine the fate of her own life and the life of her son, but it will also have far-reaching implications for the entire clan's legacy and future. With the world watching and the stakes higher than ever before, the Kardashian-Jenner family must navigate this crisis with a deft hand and an unwavering determination. For Kourtney, the path to redemption may be paved with the shards of her shattered dreams, but her resolve remains unbroken, and her fight for justice has only just begun. Thank you for watching.